Welcome back to day 67 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we're taking our database skills to the next level with SQLAlchemy. We'll be working with complex relationships, performing advanced queries, and learning how to migrate and manage database schema changes like a pro. Let's dive right in. SQLAlchemy is a powerful tool for managing database relationships in Python. Today, we'll explore how to define one-to-many, many-to-many, and self-referential relationships. One-to-many relationship. Many-to-many relationship. Self-referential relationship. By setting up these relationships, you can model complex database structures in your Python applications. Whether it's a hierarchical employee structure or a many-to-many relationship like books and genres, SQLAlchemy handles it all seamlessly. Next, let's look at advanced querying techniques in SQLAlchemy. We'll cover filtering, joining, and aggregating data. Filtering with multiple conditions. Performing joins. Aggregating data. Advanced querying lets you pull precisely the data you need from your database. Whether you're working with simple filters or complex joins, SQLAlchemy's ORM capabilities make it straightforward. Finally, let's talk about schema migration. As your project evolves, you'll need to manage database changes without losing data. Here's where Alembic, SQLAlchemy's migration tool, comes in handy. Install Alembic. Initialize Alembic in your project. Configure Alembic. Creating a migration script. Apply the migration. Alembic's auto-generate feature tracks changes in your models and creates migration scripts automatically. You can then apply these migrations to keep your database schema up to date across all environments. That's all for day 67. Today, we tackled advanced database interaction using SQLAlchemy. We explored complex relationships, advanced querying, and how to manage schema changes with Alembic. These are essential skills for any Python developer working with databases. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep coding, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 68.